In this video, we will graph cotangent using our tangent information. The only difference is I don't have the tangent graph underneath because it will get confusing since both have asymptotes and they would overlap kind of weird. So I'm first going to fill in the values for tangent theta. Then, looking at this, we know that anytime that something's zero, the reciprocal is going to be undefined, so I can fill that in. The reciprocal of 1 and -1 are just themselves, and then anytime tangent's undefined, that came from the 1 over 0 in our unit circle, so if we reverse that or flip it, it's going to be 0 over 1. So anytime tangent's undefined, cotangent is 0. Now I'm going to plot this information using the red for the extra cycle, the graph blue for the one we are actually going to graph down the line. Looks like a negative tangent graph. I have an extra little curve in there that probably shouldn't be there because the smartboard's acting up a little bit. It's a little bit better, but same rules with the tangent. You got one curve up on the left and a curve down on the right. It's going to have the same period as tangent, same symmetry, different asymptotes and domain, but we'll identify that information down below. All right, so I'm going to give the middle asymptote, which is 0. That's going to be our starting point of our graph later on. And then the domain will be all reals minus where the asymptotes occur. Range for this is negative infinity to infinity. Now just a side note to go back to all of these reciprocal functions and the ones that have asymptotes. They all actually have pi space between our asymptotes. So an interesting thing might be to just go back and look over these and see which ones actually have the same asymptotes. So if you notice, x equals pi k, if you go back to the cosecant function, cosecant and cotangent have the same asymptotes. They actually share the Pythagorean identity, which is a nice connection there to help remember that. And then the secant and tangent share the same asymptotes. So little hint there, you might want to write that down. when it comes time for a quiz or test on this information. All right, so that concludes the intro videos. There'll be another set of videos for graphing, or you might do the graphing in class.